What's up, everybody? It's Tatiana here, and I'm back with another video. So this video, I want to share with you all what I do for my child for breakfast. My son is 17 months, and he likes little finger foods that he can manage himself. So what I usually do is I get French toast sticks. I usually get pancakes. They have the little bitty pancakes you can get from Walmart, and just heat them up in the air fryer oven, microwave. Same thing with his French toast sticks. And I just try to mix it up and add a little fruit in for him. So as you can see for my thumbnail picture, that was one morning we did pancakes, bacon, and bananas. Loves bananas. Most fruits that I've introduced him to, he really likes. I just have to manage and make sure that it's cut up small for him, because he'll try to eat them whole. He is also having issues understanding that you have to chew your food first. He just decides to stuff his mouth. So I have to make sure everything's cut up in the smallest of pieces. But when I feed my child, one thing that I was resistant to is I had a little, I don't know what you call it. I think it's a poppy seed or something. So I was trying to use that all the time. That did not work. And it was difficult for me to keep the floors clean and keep my dog from being level with him, trying to get his food all the time. So I got a gift of a high chair, and that has saved my life. And that also sits him up high enough to where he can see his tablet, and I just make it a whole vibe. Tablet, snacks, juice, I get a minute to just have a moment to myself and maybe accomplish something. My son is becoming more and more independent. So when I try to feed him things, he will not take them from me. So I just try to continue to push him being autonomous and making meals that are convenient for him. So I'll add a few pictures in on this. And also I have a small video of him and Prince demolishing his tray with all his food on it. So